Hey, check this out. So what I'm driving is a generator. It's friction drive, and all of it is scrap. I got the 8020 or the aluminum extrusion from the scrap yard. This motor is a permanent magnet DC 24 volt motor that I'm running backwards, and because it's a permanent magnet motor, I can run it backwards, and so it's serving as a generator. The lights in there are new. They're 24 volt DC LED lights. I'll have a drawing of this in the description in case you want to make one yourself. And I've been working on some direct drive as opposed to friction drive generators, and those will be interesting. The idea is that eventually we'll be able to use them to run a heating element and boil water, or just to connect them to a pump or something mechanical and bypass the electrical system altogether. So anyways, thanks for watching. I think it's important, and I'm grateful that you're learning how to build human-powered machinery. Energy may not always be as cheap as it is, and folks will be looking to you for building the future. Thank you.